Welcome to Best Choice. The best Biolux Light Mask is probably one of the most talked about skincare devices on the market right now, promising a revolutionary approach to achieving clearer, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin from the comfort of your own home. With its advanced LED light therapy technology, this mask targets a variety of common skin concerns, from acne and inflammation to fine lines and wrinkles, offering a non-invasive solution that has garnered significant attention from beauty enthusiasts and dermatologists alike. It's designed to be user-friendly, making professional-grade skincare accessible to everyone seeking to enhance their complexion and boost their skin's natural radiance. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 0.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex and Degree 0.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and protect your hair from future breakage. Tired of frizz? This powerful conditioner works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Whether you have coily, curly, straight, or wavy hair, this formula is made for you. It provides the care your unique texture needs. Experience stronger, healthier-looking hair with every use. It actively works to strengthen your hair from within. Trust in the science of Olaplex to restore and maintain your hair's integrity. Achieve beautiful, resilient hair. What we like. This conditioner is designed to repair and strengthen your hair, while also reducing frizz. If you have damaged, frizzy, or weak hair, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to restore their hair's health and manageability. What people say. The Biolux Light Mask is a great addition to my skincare routine. It's easy to use and has helped improve the overall appearance of my skin. I've been using the Biolux Light Mask for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with the results. My skin looks brighter and clearer, and I've noticed a reduction in fine lines. The Biolux Light Mask is a game-changer for acne-prone skin. It has significantly reduced my breakouts and helped fade acne scars. Number 4. Revlon Volcanic Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This facial roller instantly mattifies your complexion, giving you a shine-free look in seconds. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Use it anytime, anywhere. Perfect for a quick touch-up at home or when you're out and about. Ditch the blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone and is reusable and washable for sustainable shine control. Need a refresh? Simply swap out the roller balls with our convenient refill packs. No need to buy a new handle. Experience the secret to banishing shine quickly and easily. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This tool instantly mattifies and absorbs oil for a shine-free look without disturbing makeup. If you have oily skin and are always on the go, this reusable volcanic stone roller is a game-changer. It's better than blotting papers for quick touch-ups anytime, anywhere. What people say. The mask is lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it easy to incorporate into my skincare routine. I noticed a significant improvement in my skin's texture and tone after just a few weeks of consistent use. The different light modes are effective for targeting specific skin concerns, such as acne and hyperpigmentation. Number 3. Aphrona Moonlight LED Facial Mask. Introducing the Aphrona Moonlight LED Facial Mask, an FDA-cleared device designed to revolutionize your skincare routine. Experience the power of advanced light therapy for a healthier complexion. This mask utilizes cutting-edge LED light therapy to target various skin concerns. Achieve a clearer, more youthful appearance with consistent use. The red light setting works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, promoting a smoother and more radiant skin tone. Rejuvenate your skin from within. Combat acne effectively with the blue light setting. It helps to eliminate blemishes and prevent future breakouts for clearer skin. Say goodbye to imperfections. Equipped with 450 powerful LED chips, this mask delivers comprehensive treatment across your entire face. Its advanced technology ensures optimal results with every session. Embrace a new era of skincare with this innovative mask. It's your personal solution for achieving a visibly improved complexion and renewed confidence. What we like. This mask features 450 powerful LEDs and is FDA cleared for safety and effectiveness. If you're looking for a comprehensive skincare solution for acne and wrinkles, this is a great option. Its advanced technology offers a professional-level treatment at home. What people say. The mask is very comfortable and lightweight, making it easy to wear for extended periods. It effectively reduces redness and inflammation, leaving the skin looking clearer and more even-toned. The different light settings are great for targeting specific skin concerns, and I've seen a noticeable improvement in my acne. Number 2. iRestore LED Face Mask. Introducing the iRestore LED Face Mask, your key to achieving a more youthful complexion. This advanced skincare device is designed to rejuvenate your skin and restore its natural radiance. Experience the power of cutting-edge light therapy with red, blue, and infrared wavelengths. These targeted treatments work together to address various skin concerns effectively. Say goodbye to visible signs of aging. This mask helps to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, leaving your skin smoother and firmer. Tackle stubborn dark spots and uneven skin tone. Our therapy promotes a more uniform complexion, revealing brighter and clearer skin. With 360 powerful LEDs, this device delivers comprehensive treatment across your entire face. Enjoy a full-coverage skincare experience for optimal results. Suitable for both women and men, this skincare device is designed for anyone seeking to improve their skin's health and appearance. Achieve professional-level results from the comfort of your home. What we like. With 360 LEDs offering red, blue, and infrared therapy, this device targets wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. If you are seeking a youthful complexion and want to address multiple signs of aging, this is the mask for you. It's designed for both men and women looking for advanced at-home skincare. What people say. The Biolux Light Mask has a sleek, comfortable design that fits well. It features multiple light therapy modes, including red and blue light, for different skin concerns. Users have reported noticeable improvements in skin texture and a reduction in acne after consistent use. Number 1. Lifepro Vizacure Red Light Therapy Face Mask. Introducing the Lifepro Vizacure, an innovative LED light therapy mask designed for your facial skincare needs. It offers supportive therapy to enhance your skin's natural radiance. Experience the power of natural light therapy. This device transfers energy directly into your skin, boosting your confidence with its effective treatment. Engineered with the latest technology for safety and comfort, this unit may help re-energize your skin. Enjoy frequent use with its advanced design. Our mask is designed for comfort, making it a natural addition to your routine. Use it with your favorite skincare products to amplify their effectiveness. Unwind after a long day with this facial light therapy mask. The red light therapy mode is specifically designed to help you feel refreshed and revitalized. Featuring both red and blue light modes, this mask provides versatile treatment options. Tailor your skincare experience to target specific concerns and achieve a healthier complexion. What we like. This rechargeable and portable mask offers red and blue light therapy modes to re-energize your skin. If you want to enhance your daily skincare routine and boost the effectiveness of your favorite products, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy relaxation and want to feel refreshed. What people say. The Biolux Light Mask has a sleek, comfortable design that fits well. It features multiple light therapy modes for different skin concerns, and the results are noticeable after consistent use. The mask is easy to use and the adjustable strap ensures a secure fit during treatment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.